When it comes to outdoor wood repair, not all fillers are created equal. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 exterior wood fillers that stand up to the harshest weather. We begin with ABATRON Wood Epox, a 2-part epoxy that has become the gold standard for structural wood repairs. This product is especially popular among professional contractors and restoration experts because it not only fills voids but actually strengthens deteriorated wood. Once mixed, Wood Epox becomes a moldable, sandable compound that hardens to a consistency similar to real wood. It bonds permanently and can be drilled, painted, or stained once cured. What makes it ideal for exterior use is its exceptional resistance to water, insects, and decay. Even in extreme heat or heavy rain, it holds up without cracking or shrinking. It's especially effective for repairing windowsills, fascia boards, and porch columns, where structural integrity is just as important as appearance. Next up is the HB42 Ultimate Wood Filler, a 2-part resin-based filler that's quickly become a favorite among professional decorators in the UK and beyond. This filler stands out for its rapid cure time and excellent adhesion to both soft and hardwoods. It becomes waterproof in as little as 30 minutes, making it ideal for projects that can't wait for perfect weather. HB42 is also styrene-free, meaning it has a reduced odor and is safer to work with in confined areas. Users frequently praise its smooth mixing, resistance to sagging, and consistent performance across seasons. Whether you're filling rotten window frames, cracks in fencing, or screw holes in garden furniture, HB42 delivers a reliable and lasting solution. Third on our list is the MINWAX High-Performance Wood Filler, a durable, fast-curing option that's especially popular in North America. It's a 2-part epoxy like WOODEPOX, but is known for its ease of use and quick drying time. Once applied, it hardens in about 15 minutes and can be sanded or painted shortly after. This makes it a great option for weekend warriors or professionals needing to complete jobs on a tight timeline. MINWAX's formulation is highly resistant to moisture, making it excellent for exterior surfaces exposed to the elements, including decks, siding, and outdoor trim. In comparative tests, it resisted algae growth and retained its bond even after seasonal expansion and contraction. If you're looking for something both strong and quick, MINWAX High Performance fits the bill. Coming in fourth is the TOUPRET Exterior Ready Mixed Wood Filler, a water-based filler that offers excellent flexibility for outdoor use. Unlike epoxy-based fillers, TOUPRET doesn't harden to a brittle finish, which means it moves with the wood as it expands and contracts in different weather conditions. This reduces the risk of cracking over time and makes it particularly suitable for finishing touches like window trim, fascia, and door frames. The filler applies smoothly, dries relatively quickly, and sands to a fine finish. Decorators appreciate its clean consistency and paint-ready surface. Although not ideal for deep structural repairs, it excels in aesthetic applications and regular maintenance work around the home. Rounding out our list is the WELD KWIKWOOD Epoxy Putty Stick, a convenient and highly effective option for small, localized repairs. This product comes in a handy stick format that you knead by hand, and within 15 to 25 minutes, it begins to harden. Once cured, it can be sanded, drilled, or painted, and it adheres exceptionally well to outdoor wood. KWIKWOOD is especially useful for patching holes left by screws, cracks in outdoor furniture, or gouges in fencing or siding. Its compact size and fast setting time make it a favorite for those on the go, whether you're a contractor fixing issues on site or a homeowner taking care of weekend projects. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more expert tool and material reviews to help you get every job done right, no matter the weather.